Hello guys, today I will show you how to sign up for Plex. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone. Now, simply go to the search bar and type in Plex and hit enter. Now, you will see www.plex.tv. Simply click on this link and it will take you to this page. So, this is Plex. Here, in order to sign up, you'll have to click on start streaming. Now, you will see a small circle at the top right that you'll have to click on. Now it is taking us to this email or username page where you can easily sign with Apple, Google or an email. So these are all sign in options. In order to create a new account and sign up, you get the option to sign up with email button at the bottom. Click on the sign up with email button and enter your email address in this field. Now click on create an account button. After this, it is successfully going to log you into your new account. So this is my Plex new account. As you can see, I can click on account settings and see all the account settings. I have my watch list support and I also get the option to sign out and create a new account or log into another account. So that is the simple way to sign up for Plex. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.